With Apple Intelligence.
Apple, the crown-wearing giant of tech. But in the AI war, they are not leading. They are late, very, very late. While OpenAI launched ChatGPT, Google dropped Gemini, Microsoft added Copilot to everything, Apple gave us autocorrect fixes. And yes, Duck still lives. Siri was once revolutionary, but in 2025 it's like that school friend who peaked early and never moved on. Ask Siri a question, you get a web search. Ask ChatGPT, you get a solution.
Introducing Apple Intelligence.
At WWDC 2024, Apple didn't say artificial intelligence. No. They called it Apple Intelligent because rebranding is the innovation now. Most of these AI features powered by OpenAI, not even built in house. And surprise, only on iPhone 15 Pro and newer, because in Apple's land, innovation is a subscription plan. Samsung's AI already in 2023 phones, Pixel running Gemini live and offline, even Xiaomi sneaking in AI tools, Apple still beta testing Smart Reply. Apple fans say it just works. Sure, like jail works. Once you accept you are stuck, try switching green bubble, no file sharing, no proper AI. Welcome to the luxury lockdown. So, is Apple losing the AI war? Not in revenue, but in innovation? Absolutely. They are not shaping the future, they are branding it. If you are done sipping the shiny apple juice, hit subscribe. This is Dr. Charge, where tech is decoded, not sugar coated.